In previous versions of Mastercam, you needed to use the Analyze function to edit the values and properties of a wireframe entity by interacting with the dialog box and the screen. In Mastercam 2022, you can directly edit wireframe geometry without interacting with the dialog box. If no other function is active, double-click the lines, arcs, points, and splines to directly modify the entities in the graphics window with the following controls. Click and drag the green origin ball to move the point. The on-screen button toggles between move and copy modes. Three position spheres display when you select a line. Use the center sphere to reposition the line, maintaining its current length and angle. Hover over the midpoint and select the arrow to create an offset parallel line. Grab an endpoint to change the angle of a line. Hover over an endpoint and drag the arrow to extend or shorten the line. Toggle between move and copy using the mode button. To make more than one copy, select the original again. Spline controls are the same as the line controls, except that you cannot use top-level editing to change the curvature of a spline. You cannot shorten splines in this mode, but you can increase their length using a linear tangent extension. Use the Edit Spline function to do this. Use the spheres to reposition the spline, maintaining its current length and angle. Hover over the endpoints and select the arrow to extend the length of the spline. It cannot be shortened. Use the origin ball to edit the center point position. Use the blue arrow to edit the radius. The value appears when you hover over the arrow. Use the green arrow to edit the starting sweep angle of the arc. Use the red arrow to edit the ending sweep angle of the arc. Arcs have two mode buttons in addition to the Move Copy button. Use the Flip button to invert the arc to display its complement. Use the Absolute Relative button to toggle the display of the sweep angle value between its absolute and relative values. You cannot edit multiple entities with top-level editing. To do that, use the Analyze function. To display the Analyze dialog box from the top level, press the End key. You can continue to use the new graphic controls as well as change entity attributes such as level, color, and line style. Press the End key again when you're finished. For more information on enhancements to Mastercam, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.